Okay, here's my video for my assembly project. You said it would be fine if we just videoed on our phones, so that's what's going on here. So right here on the right, I have my program, and then on the left, I just have the terminal open so I could run it once we go through it. But basically, here in my data section, I have all of my strings. So the first one tells you what the values for, oh, my program is just lets you play rock, paper, scissors against a computer. So we have the choices. So 0 is rock, paper is 1, scissors is 2, and then it prompts the user to enter a number 0 through 2. And then this one, my second string is just a decimal value that I could use to print out, and then I have a string for the user's entry, the computer entry, and then a string for all of the game ending conditions. And then I store the user's choice in a dot word, and I store the computer's choice in dot word, and then dot t is just for time, for generating a random number. Then if we go down, we have all the code that prompts the user for their number. And then right after that, I start the code for randomly generating a number for the computer's choice. And then you see right here, this is me storing the computer's choice and a value, and then I print both of them out so you can just see real quick. And then after that, I put their values in register 1 and 2, and then I compare them. So first I compare to see if it's a tie. If it's a tie, it says it's a tie and it ends. The way it does that is it compares to see if the two numbers, the user's choice and the computer choice, are the same. And then after that, I have a whole section for some branching that needs to go on. So first we compare to see if the user inputted rock, paper, or scissors, and then based off of what they input, I have these three subroutines, rock, paper, and scissors, and then that compares values to the computer's choice. So if it's not a tie, but it is scissors, oh, say the user entered rock, it would compare the computer's choice to scissors, and if it's scissors, then the user wins, and if it's not scissors, then the user loses, because if it was the third option, it would already be a tie, and it's like that for all three. And then here I have all three conditions for the game ending, so it's either a tie, a win, or a lose. And then after that, we have the stop subroutine, which just ends the program. So I'll show how that works real quick. So if we run it, rock is 0, paper is 1, scissors is 2, enter a number. I'll do rock. And then the computer entered 1, which is paper, and paper covers rock, so I lose. And then we'll do it like 2 more times. This time I'll enter scissors. Entry 1, which is paper, so scissors cuts paper, so I win. And one more time, we'll do scissors. And then see, this time the computer also chose scissors, so we tied. And that's pretty much the lot of it.